here to continue the tutorial for this fully working bank. As I told you, we've already created an account over here. The commands are pretty simple by just adding the closest player, the money, which is M, which we've stringed as M, to 0. So whenever they touch the button, it'll do nothing. It won't add anything to them except 0. So now we're going to create the deposit and the withdrawal for our bank. So here it's a little bit complicated this time. So here we go. There we go. This side, the left side would be deposit and the right side would be the withdrawal. Okay, so we place this block. There we go. And then place the command block and then check for the amount of players money. So we put scoreboard, board, players, and then test. It means to test the player's amount of money. Test. The closest is me, which is gonna be me because there's only me in this world. And closest player, and then M is equals to, let's put it is 50. There, if it's 50 and above, then it's going to deposit your money. Okay, there we go. Just leave it the same settings and then put another block over there, and then type in scoreboard players, remove the closest player, which is going to be me, the amount you've typed in 50. This is going to remove the player's money. So change its properties to chain and then always active. So also put it into conditional there, so it'll look like this. And the next thing for the deposit is that there's another block, and then type in scoreboard players, add, and then it's always gonna be the closest player, and then savings, and it's S 50. So as you can see, we've added another string and it's not yet fixed. We have to change this to chain, conditional, and then always active. There we go. And right now what we're gonna do is that add another string for our scoreboard. So it's gonna be slash and then scoreboard. This you're just gonna have to type it in the chat box. Scoreboard objectives, add as dummy. It's gonna be the same thing with the money if you've watched the previous tutorial. Dummy, and then add savings, and then add savings. There we go, we've added savings. And then there, successfully added new objective successfully. And then this thing is now gonna work because there's already an objective S. So once we've tried to deposit, it'll remove 50 amount of 50 pesos or $50 on our money, and then it was placed on the savings. So right now, as you can see, we're gonna place it here. Now this is gonna be the withdrawal, and then touch command block and then type in scoreboard players test, the closest player, and then type in S, which is the savings, and then test for 50 if it's gonna be 50. And then need for zone, just leave it like that. And then it's gonna be the same, but the opposite. I mean, it's gonna be the money this time to remove. So scoreboard and then players, remove the closest player, savings, amount 50. If you're going to withdraw 50, change the properties of it to chain, and then conditional, and always active. There, it's gonna place another one here, and this time we're going to put in the money because it's a withdrawal, right? So I just typed in scoreboard players, add the closest player at P, the money, which is amount of 50, and then change the it changes properties to chain, conditional, and always active. And that's pretty much it. Now if we are going to deposit another one here, it's gonna deduct an amount of 50 each time to our money. If now we're going to withdraw, it's going to add amount of 50, and but it won't add another 50 because you have no more savings. See, it's just stuck to 10,000 because that's just our amount. But if you deposit again, it works unless if it's lower than 50. Okay, that's a fully working bank system, a solid, a compact working bank system right here using command blocks. So thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you, and hope to have you guys comment below to the comment section, and please subscribe if you want to. If not, it's okay. I'm just gonna cry over here. So guys, thank you, and see you in the next tutorial, guys.